Will show I have make a 12 square, almost 12 square meter kitchen at my area for a small area in town. Just look at this in 3D mode. And this is the view. Will be look like this. Re- Look, this is looking very good at a small area. This is only almost 12 square meter, 11.9, and everything is okay. It's really enough for everyone. It's look like this. Okay. So now you can tell me how is this looking like. Then I will make a tutorial how I did this, how I did make this. Okay. For now, it's have to goodbye. See you will in the next video. Goodbye.